Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take 3 fingers swiping down screenshot in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. To take a screenshot with 3 fingers, first of all, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from this page. Okay, so with 3 fingers, you can easily take a screenshot. With 3 fingers, just swipe down on the screen like this. Swipe down vertically along the screen like this, and screenshot will be taken. Okay, screenshot is taken. See here, this is capture screenshot. Okay, so if you would like to edit the screenshot, use edit button, and there are various editing tools available. Cropping tool, text tool. You can also add some text to the screenshot. Okay, so here I just tap here to enter. I just type hello. You can also change the color of the screen, the text that you add to the screenshot, and see here, click on done. Yes, so in this way you can easily take a screenshot and also edit screenshot. Finally click on save. So using 3 fingers you can easily take a screenshot. What you have to do is go to the screen, then with 3 fingers just swipe down. Okay, screenshot will be taken. This is taken screenshot. Also you can access screenshot through screenshot folder. Go to the files in your phone, then go to internal storage, then go to pictures folder, and here locate screenshots folder, and you will see latest screenshot at the bottom of the folder. Okay, this is the latest screenshot. Okay, in this way you can easily take 3 finger screenshot in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.